as I pack and I pray, say, wish things was this way. Hopes in my dreams, got no reason for anything. Who tries to be? Children grow fast like a wild weed. Got needs, who's listening? Who needs friends? And when you got God, when willing in, where do I start? Where do I begin? Only wish our freedom was truly free. Only wish you knew everything. I can meet every need. They say God's got me. Been lost in the darkness so long, can I see? Do not know what's in my future, what's in my destiny. The train's back on the track, and I know I may never be coming back. Only wish our freedom was truly free. Only wish I knew how to be. Knew everything, made every need. They say God's got me, but I've been lost in the darkness so long that I cannot see what's in my future, my destiny. That train's back on the track, and I know back. Continue to love what you need in my life until the day I die. I'm so alone, hurts so sad and blue. Don't know how in this world I'll ever make it through. Music isn't the answer for me. No, I guess life's sad to me. Just wanna be free, be who I wanna be me. Change a few things in America today. Could take the time to watch and say, hey, cannot go on like this another day, urgent matter, which cannot wait. The end for me, where do I start? Something. Regardless where you're at, what you're doing today, please take a moment to pray, make a change, live life made. Last time on prayer, say, because I can't live another day this way. Regardless, we've all made mistakes. Why should anyone be held accountable for past mistakes? Like before, you're probably here for me at all.